Follow these methods step by step and your issue should be fixed. Let's get started. First, fully close the Epic Games Launcher. Go to the bottom right of your taskbar. Click on the arrow to show hidden icons. Find Epic Games Launcher, right-click it, and select Exit. Now locate the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator. Click OK. Now double-click Epic Games Launcher and click Yes. If you see a message asking to choose between cloud or local, select Local. Method 2. Open Epic Games Launcher. Click on Settings. Find Enable Cloud Saves. To completely disable cloud syncing, uncheck it, or to refresh cloud syncing. Uncheck it, then check it again. After making your choice, continue to the next step. Final step, close Epic Games Launcher again. Click the arrow in the taskbar. Right-click Epic Games Launcher. Click Exit. Now open Epic Games Launcher again. The cloud syncing issue should now be fixed.